Okay guys, gonna show you this spot welder in action. This was completely built on my workbench here from junk parts, and of course a microwave oven transformer. I'm just gonna explain a few of the things here. As you can read, it says time adjust, so this will determine how long the welder stays on. I'll show you a demo in just a moment. This is the light that indicates it's on. I've got the two cables coming out here. I've got my power switch here, as you can see there. And at the bottom I've got my foot pedal coming out. I'm just gonna go down and show you the foot pedal. Now, if I step on the foot pedal, you're gonna see the green light comes on for just a moment. It's really a few hundredths of a second. If I turn the knob fully to the right and I step on the pedal, you'll see it's nearly 2 seconds. But I mean, for welding battery tabs, we're gonna turn it all the way to the left. That's just fine for that. Okay, just gonna move the camera down here. So I've got a back here to some NiCad batteries, and I've got my plates that will run across the two battery terminals here. And I mean, it's important to use the right type of metal. This is a type of spring metal that I found in a measuring tape, and it works extremely well. But normally you can buy these tabs from electronic stores, but this works just fine for me. Okay, let's try and weld that sucker. What's nice is that the foot pedal gives you it leaves both hands free to do other things. I'm just gonna press down on the battery, and you don't have to press too hard. And there we go. And on the other side, and there we go. I'm just gonna bring it up so you can see. Just to show you how strong it is, I'm going to try and remove it, and as you can see, it really sticks. And obviously, if you want it stronger, you can always just do more than one or more than two welds. But I mean, for battery packs in this case, two of these things, just one weld. Like I said, you can always go and do another weld. And there we go. And this side. There you go. Just gonna bring it closer again, and I'm just gonna show you again. It is very strong, so that will give you quite a nice weld and connection to the two battery positive and negative sides. I'm just gonna bring this also closer. You can see it leaves quite a few holes. It doesn't just peel off. So hopefully that will explain and show you the thing in action. Thank you. Cheers.